Hey guys, quick video today. If you're trying to install a program and you see a DL missing error, this one right here, api-ms-win-crt-heap-l1-1-0.dll. This usually happens because of a Windows system issue, mostly on Windows 7 or older Windows versions. Now, if you can reinstall Windows, that's always the best option. But let's be real, most of us just want a quick fix. So here's what actually works. First, look at the exact DLL name in the error message. Then open Google and search for that exact file name. Click on dullfiles.com. This site is trusted and used by a lot of people for Windows DLL files. Once it's downloaded, open the zip file with WinRAR. Inside, you'll see the DL file. Now open this PC, local disk C, Windows, System 32. Just drag and drop the DLL file into the System 32 folder. If Windows asks for permission, click Continue, and that's it. Now reopen the installer. As you can see, the install starts normally, no error, no problem. This fix works for a lot of DLL missing errors on Windows. If this helped you, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.